This morning, I'm going to tell you a story, and you have heard it many times, okay? There was a shepherd, and he took all his sheep into the pasture. And when evening came, he decided that he was going to take them back home. And he took them back home. And he started counting. 1, 2, 3. How many of you know how to count? Oh, he knows how to count too, huh? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Ooh, where is little David? Is that the name you said? Little David must have strayed away. And you know what? The shepherd said, okay, he told his dog, stay here, guard these sheep, and I'll be back. And he went, looked for that sheep, and he heard, "Ma, Jesus, I am here, and I'm cold." That's what he was saying. And Jesus heard him, and he went there, picked him up, held him in his arms, and took him back. Have you ever been lost? You know what? When my daughter was little, when I went to the mall, she would hide behind the clothes racks. And then she would see that mommy is getting all frantic, and then she'll pop up and say, "Here I am, Mom." But you know, one day I played a trick on her. I hid. When she hid, I hid. And you know what she did? "Mommy, where are you? Mom, 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 where are you?" That's what happens when we are lost. Can anyone tell me how to get from church to your home? If I took you in the car, would you be able to show me how to get home? No. Okay, many of us don't know how to get home. But you know, there's something that moms and dads use these days. What do they use to find their place from one end to the other end? GPS. Do you know what GPS stands for? Global Positioning System. And you know what the GPS does? It shows us how to get from one place to the other. I believe the United States military used to use this, okay? But you know, in the olden days, they had no GPS system. You know what the lost people in the desert used to do? They would tie a string to the dove's legs and let the dove up in the air. And the dove would keep on circling and circling and circling. And suddenly it would take off at one side. And then the desert travelers knew that was the way to head home. Now, do you and I have a GPS system? Do all of us have a GPS system? I don't have one in my car, but I have one here. And what is this GPS system? This is God's positioning system. It tells us how to go and where we need to go. The GPS that's in your car will show you the way, the right way, and take you to your destination. This GPS system, God's positioning system, will show you the way, the right way, to our final and eternal destination. Can you all ask your moms and dads that you really want this GPS system, and that is the way to get to our final destination? And what is our final destination, children? Heaven. We want to be in the home where Christ is, where we can all be together and enjoy and rejoice and be joyful about everything. Now I can ask you to go back to your places, to your moms and dads, okay?